everybody, my name is Chelsea. I'm here at the Speed as the Studio Programs Assistant, and I'm here to show you a fun little art activity that you can do at home with some of the things you might already have. So what you're going to need is some coffee filters, a cup of water, markers and colors of your choice, and a water dropper, as well as a pipe cleaner. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your coffee filter, and with your markers, you're going to make a little design, however you want to do it. So I'm just going to start from the middle here. And you don't have to fill the whole coffee filter because the water is going to actually spread out and make the colors bleed. So you get a little bit of that. Once you've got your coffee filter filled in, however designs you want to make it, what you'll do, you take your water dropper, and using just a little bit of water, you're going to drop water around the edges. And you're going to drop a little bit in the middle. And the colors are going to start to bleed into each other. And once this is dry, I make a few more. These ones I cut into the shape of a flower. And then what you're going to do is you're going to poke a hole through the middle one, just like I've done here, and you're going to feed your pipe cleaner through it. Fold this up so it's kind of in the shape of a flower, and then wrap the stem around the bit you've folded so it holds its shape. And there you go. You have your own paper flower.